Did you know that your iPhone calendar is hiding secret and powerful features that can revolutionize how you plan your day and help you accomplish more in less time? In this video, I'll reveal 3 simple yet game-changing Apple Calendar tricks that can effortlessly change how you organize your day and will give you hours back every week. Starting with this first trick, when you open the app, do you get overwhelmed by your cluttered calendar? Overlapping events make it really hard to get a clear view. I used to struggle with this, getting anxious about missing important tasks. Well, let me show you how Apple has quietly rolled out a vital change that really helped me and fixes all that. Instead of just seeing coloured indicators, the new monthly view allows you to pinch in and out to adjust what you see, helping you see what you need at a glance. What I really like about this view isn't just the pinch to zoom effect, but that you can also now do this when you're on the single or multi-day views as well. With this new feature, nothing gets cut off and you can always see the full scope of your schedule. The ability to zoom in and out has saved me so much time. I no longer have to scroll endlessly searching for events. I get a perfect view of everything in seconds. But not everything we have to do is tracked in our calendar, right? So you could still miss out on important tasks. And that's where this next feature saves a day. So let me show you how you can stop wasting time switching between apps when managing your tasks and events. You see, a lot of us rely on the Reminders app to keep track of tasks, but when you're switching between your calendar and Reminders app, it's like juggling 2 schedules at once. It can be clunky and things slip through the cracks. You miss important deadlines or forget important tasks, and it can leave you feeling like you're constantly playing catch up. It's almost like having your grocery list on one piece of paper and your schedule on another. Well, Apple has seamlessly integrated these reminders into your calendar, kind of turning your calendar into an all-in-one productivity hub. You can effortlessly see what you need to do around the context of your planned events. Combining these apps creates a simple yet productivity powerhouse. And to top that off, you can prioritise reminders based on time-sensitive events. So let's say you have a reminder to finish a project by 3 p.m. This is now visually integrated with your 4 p.m. meeting, so you can see at a glance what needs to be done before the meeting starts, and you can focus on getting the right task done at the right time. But typing in tasks and events can feel like a never-ending chore, especially when you're on the go. How often have you skipped adding things just because you're in a rush or because it's just not as easy as it could be? Let me show you how you can make creating events much easier. Because let's face it, no one likes manually entering tasks and events. It can feel tedious and time-consuming. Apple's natural language input is a feature that allows you to simply tell Siri what you need and Siri takes care of the rest. It's as simple as saying, "Lunch with Sarah next Tuesday at 1 p.m. and it will automatically create the event for you. It's almost as easy as having a conversation. No more clicking through menus, trying to plan your schedule. The natural language input feature understands the way you talk, so you can just tell your phone what to do instead of painstakingly typing everything out. I find this especially useful when I'm not able to use the phone directly. Let's say I'm driving and then I realise I need to schedule something. I can just ask Siri whilst in the car, and I can even edit events. Hey Siri, create a project meeting with David at 2 p.m. tomorrow.
Project meeting with David is scheduled for 1400 hours to 14:30 tomorrow.
Hey Siri, change the time of my meal with Sarah tonight to 6 p.m.
Meal with Sarah is now scheduled for 1800 hours to 1900 hours today.
And there it is in the calendar. No tapping or typing, just pure hands-free convenience. It can even help if I'm driving and I remember I need to do a task when I get home. I can just set that up as well by just asking. Hey Siri, remind me to pay my phone bill when I get home.
I've added pay my phone bill for when you arrive at Nick DZ's home.
It feels a bit like having a personal assistant with you all the time. Making these small tasks easier and less friction can make a huge difference in your day-to-day routines. You can spend less time fiddling with your calendar or reminders. Do it often and it becomes second nature and makes planning effortless. But did you know that there's even more secrets that you need to discover? You see, there's some killer features that Apple has hidden away. So in this video, I'll show you the secret ways that you can use Apple Reminders to stay on top of all your everyday tasks and make sure nothing slips through the cracks ever again.